जलवा था कि नहीं जलवा? आवाज आनी चाहिए.
Heroine is nothing. It's not a dirty film. It's completely different to the dirty picture.
करीना, एक डायलॉग आपने कहा है कि इंडस्ट्री में अगर झूठ कॉन्फिडेंस से बोला जाए तो वो सच लगता है.
100% वो दिव्या ने बोला है actually. But I mean, आपको नहीं लगता है?
Did you get any threatening calls from somebody?
You know, Saif and me are like a band of bandits.
नाइट की नोटी कहानी, ये हलकट जवानी, ये हलकट जवानी, मीठा ये नमकीन पानी, ये हलकट जवानी, ये हलकट जवानी.
The trailer of one of the most awaited films of 2012, Heroine, was held in a multiplex of Mumbai in the presence of Kareena Kapoor, Madhur Bhandarkar, Arjun Rampal, Siddharth Roy Kapoor and others.
Good evening, everybody. There's always been a dream as a child. I think ever since I've been in my mother's stomach, that badi hokar heroine banungi. That was always my, the aspiration. I've been dancing in front of bathroom mirrors, in school, running to the bathroom, looking at myself, not really concentrating on my studies, playing my Walkman in my ears and listening to Sridevi and Madhuri songs. Just thinking of the fact that one day I will be a heroine. And I think the journey's been fantastic, but I don't think my journey would have ever been complete without Madhur Bhandarkar's Heroine. So thank you, Madhur.
Really, I'm so happy that we all, UTV, Madhur, myself, Siddharth, we all believed in this, and then Bebo believed in the script, and we made it happen the way it's happened. I am very proud of the way the film shaped up, and really the way Miss Kapoor has performed in this film is absolutely phenomenal, and I am very proud of her. I've always believed she's a wonderful, wonderful actor, and really you'll get to see that. I think she's been only at 35% of her potential. You'll see at least, I think, 80, 100 more still to come. Okay.
हुई मैं हुई बारी बारी, ये हलकट जवानी, ये हलकट जवानी.
हीरोइन की कहानी पर एक ऐसी फिल्म बनी थी डर्टी पिक्चर, और अब बनी है हीरोइन. तो क्या ये विद्या की डर्टी पिक्चर से अच्छी है?
I think I should let Madhur answer that.
Heroine is nothing. It's not a dirty film. It's completely different to the dirty picture. So it's so unfair to constantly be having a comparison to a dirty picture.
Do you call the Heroine your dirtiest film ever in your career?
Well, I'd like my producer Siddharth Roy Kapoor to answer that.
It's definitely a hottest film ever. I'm not sure about dirtiest.
Doing intimate scenes with Kareena, any innovations?
You know, they were very wonderful moments. They will stay with me for the rest of my life, and I've every time I'm in a bad mood, I shut my eyes and I have a big smile on my face.
Did you get any threatening calls from somebody?
You know, Saif and me are like a band of bandits, and somewhere down the line I have too much respect for him, and he has a lot for me, and he knows that I'm a gentleman and so is he, so we kept our gentleman's promise and didn't call each other.
There were no reservations at all in the beginning. It was just when I was approached for the film at that point of time, I was shooting for Bodyguard and Ravan and Talash, and I couldn't accommodate dates, and of course Agent Vinod, so it was very difficult to kind of squeeze in a film like Heroine, and when I wanted to work on a film like that, I think I'll have to take all my time, and that's exactly what I've done, is that I've just shot this film in one go. So it was difficult at that time to accommodate, but I'm really happy that they came back to me.
And is this Halkat Jawani a answer for Sheila ki Jawani?
Not at all, it's mine. It's no answer to anybody. Don't compare it with anybody, I'm sorry.
करीना, एक डायलॉग आपने कहा है कि इंडस्ट्री में अगर झूठ कॉन्फिडेंस से बोला जाए तो वो सच लगता है.
100% वो दिव्या ने बोला है एक्चुअली. बट आई मीन, आपको नहीं लगता है?
मैं आपसे पूछना
आप लोग इतने कॉन्फिडेंस से बोलते हो रोज सुबह सुबह, तो
मधुर, जब से हीरोइन बननी शुरू हुई है, इंडस्ट्री के डायरेक्टर, प्रोड्यूसर, एक्टर, एक्ट्रेसेस सबके पेट में बबल्स आ रहे हैं कि किस किस को अपना चेहरा, अपना कैरेक्टर पर्दे पर देखने मिलेगा।
वो तो 21 सितंबर के बाद ही पता चलेगा।
इस बार जब 21 को आपकी फिल्म रिलीज हो रही है तो ठीक एक हफ्ते पहले रणवीर कपूर की फिल्म बर्फी भी रिलीज हो रही है, तो कितना कंपटीशन मान रही है इस बार आप? कपूर आमने सामने इस बार।
Kapoors will always rule. So I hope कि रणबीर की पिक्चर चलनी चाहिए and I hope he feels that my film should also work. सबकी चलनी चाहिए पर हमारी थोड़ी और।
Bollywood Hungama News Network.